This is crazy kid Ellie, and she's chasing Jack with a broom. What she's gonna do is try to hit Jack. Go hit Jack, Ellie. Ellie, Jack, hit Ellie with a broom. Jack, hit Ellie with a broom. Apparently Crazy Kid is trying to get the broom away from Jack. Yep, he's a crazy kid.